How much does presale cleaning cost in Melbourne?
The cost of presale cleaning in Melbourne can vary depending on the size of your property, its current condition, and any add-on services like steam cleaning or pressure washing. At Clean House Melbourne, our minimum booking is 2 professional cleaners for 5 hours, for 10 hours total, starting from $70 per hour per person. That includes all equipment, eco-friendly cleaning products, and quality assurance. Here's a general guide. Property type, 1-bedroom apartment, starting from $700 to $900. 2 to 3 bedroom home, starting from $900 to $1,400. 4+ bedroom house, starting from $1,400 plus. We also offer custom quotes for larger properties, partial cleans, such as bathrooms plus kitchen, or full service packages that include carpet steam cleaning, window cleaning, outdoor pressure washing, fridge, oven, and garage detailing. Every job is different, but what's consistent is our 9+ years of experience, our 5-star reviews, and our reputation for helping clients achieve quicker, higher value sales with our presale cleaning service. Tip: think of presale cleaning as an investment, not a cost. A professionally cleaned home often returns many times its cleaning fee in buyer interest and better offers.